Obviously, we are connecting cellular devices into the Zscaler gateway system called the Zscaler Cellular service that gets all traffic from a SIM into the Zero Trust Exchange and passes it on to private applications and public applications, the Zero Trust solutions that Zscaler has. But also, as per this little green man here, we can provide access inbound to the device running the SIM as well. So we have full bidirectional access. This means that customers can provide full functionality and connectivity using just our services from Zscaler Cellular. This brings some big value, and I'm going to talk about those three main areas of value. And there's two types of value. There's tech value, and there's going to be actual value. So let me start with tech. Number one, we give our customers full visibility. Full visibility. Everything coming through the Zero Trust Exchange, going up and down, will have full control. Remember, the SIM only has a relationship to here. It doesn't know anything else. It can't move east or west. It has to go through the centralized point here. So we give them full visibility of every packet going in and out. That allows us to then give control. Leveraging the Zero Trust Exchange, we're able to provide full granular policy of whether the SIM is allowed to go to a private application or to the internet or not. But also, once we have that control structure in place, we can start to think about what we want to protect. And that protection can fall in a few different ways. One is stopping, for example, a loss of DLP out to the internet, could be stopping traffic being sent to a private application, could be stopping a third party from getting access in. In addition, we can use the Zero Trust Exchange for things like deception. So we can, let's say deception in place. We can put deception in place to then also deceive misinterpreted or badly utilized SIMs, or maybe misused SIMs or connections, and send them off to a honeypot as well. We have full control. Everything goes through here. We can also bypass, by the way, for what it's worth, directly to the internet if need be. That's okay as well, but that's a policy decision the customer has to make. So they have visibility, they have control, they have protection. But what is the more important thing is the amount of value they can obtain from using the service. So now we talk about the other three values, which I'm going to keep it as simple as dollars. What these really are is, one, simplicity. You put a SIM in a device, all this happens. That's it, done. Customers don't have to do anything else. The SIM is connected to the Zscaler Cellular ecosystem anywhere in the world, and all this happens. Simplicity is key. Works really easy. Number two, cost reduction. We can reduce a huge amount of cost from customers' ecosystems, global roaming, the ability to connect SIMs to different devices, different telco relationships, different telco or carrier ecosystems, the hardware required to get a tunnel back into the corporate data center, all of those things we completely eliminate. So we not only simplify that infrastructure, we reduce the cost and give our customers a huge benefit going forward. They need to be able to recognize that benefit by moving away from their old technology to the new. And the third part is also really easy, and it's global. This service is available in almost every country. I can't say all countries, depends on, places like North Korea probably won't work. We haven't been able to send anybody there to test it, but we can guarantee that in most places, about 185 countries globally, this will operate. But also each country, we guarantee 2 separate carriers minimum per country, meaning the SIM can connect in the US to AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, in Australia to Optus, to Telstra, to Vodafone, Germany, Deutsche Telekom, Vodafone, O2, whomever. We have the ability to deliver that to our customers wherever they go. That means that if the devices are roaming across different countries in Europe on the back of a truck, or if they're here in the States and maybe the train it's on, as an example, goes through a part of the country where there's no Verizon network, well, that then connects to AT&T. Or it connects to T-Mobile. We give them that global coverage, which again simplifies the cost structure, which again simplifies the simplicity of deploying the Zero Trust service. So Zscaler Cellular is not only fantastically beneficial to our customers, it's highly efficient and gives them that visibility, that control, that protection, and makes it much more cost effective for the customers to use.